Top 5 Best Internal Hard Drives. Number 5. Western Digital 12TB WD Red Plus. The Western Digital 12TB WD Red Plus feels built for those who live by uptime and silence. Designed for small and medium business NAS systems, it quietly handles up to 180 terabytes per year of data flow without complaint. The NASware firmware makes it play nicely with multi-bay setups, up to 8 of them, and it carries a 3-year warranty like a quiet badge of confidence. It's not a thrill-seeker's drive. This isn't about flashy transfer speeds or chasing benchmarks. It's about trust, the kind that runs 24/7 for a decade and still hums like a whisper. The 12 terabyte model skips the old automatic spin-down feature, so there's a faint hum when idle, but nothing intrusive, just the sound of a machine quietly staying ready. Performance sits around 220 megaparsecs, a notch below the louder Red Pro, but leagues above in serenity. No clicks, no drama. Just consistent, low-temperature reliability, the kind that makes other drives feel fidgety. It's the sort of gear that proves reliability is a quiet virtue. Not loud, not glamorous, just quietly excellent, 1 terabyte at a time. Coming in number 4. Samsung 990 Pro SSD 2 terabyte. The Samsung 990 Pro SSD 2 terabyte is what happens when efficiency meets adrenaline. Built on Gen 4 PCIe, it doesn't just move data, it launches it. With read-write speeds up to 7459 megabytes per second, it turns heavy computing, gaming marathons, and video editing into smooth, almost cinematic experiences. Think of it as a power move in solid-state form. Compared to the 980 Pro, it delivers over 55% faster random performance while sipping less power, about 50% better performance per watt. A drive that works smarter, not harder. It's like VER. 6B2QJXD7 even fixed tricky detection and boot issues, making the system run cleaner and steadier than ever. Built with DRAM caching, it thrives as a system SSD, fast boots, instant loads, zero lag. Sure, competitors like Kingston's Fury Renegade G5 edge ahead in raw numbers, but Samsung's edge is dependability. This is a drive forged by a brand that's earned loyalty through quiet consistency and solid aftercare. The 990 Pro doesn't just perform, it behaves. Silent, relentless, efficient. A workhorse and game armor. Coming in number 3. Toshiba N300 Pro 20 terabyte large-sized. The Toshiba N300 Pro 20 terabyte is built like a tank disguised as a whisper. Designed for medium to large NAS systems with up to 24 bays, it runs 24/7 without breaking a sweat or a bite. With a workload rate of 300 terabytes per year and an MTTF of 1.2 million hours, it's the kind of drive that treats uptime like a religion. At 7,200 RPM with a generous cache and rotational vibration sensors, it stays stable even when surrounded by spinning chaos in dense RAID setups. In real-world use, it hums along cool and quiet, running smoother than many competitors. Against Seagate IronWolf Pro or WD Red Pro, it holds its ground in both speed and thermals, often outperforming them in silence and efficiency. Its cool operation is matched by industrial reliability. The sort of engineering that says, let's run this thing for a decade. Just make sure to buy from the right Toshiba region if warranty matters, since US support is territorial. For those chasing massive capacity with calm confidence, the N300 Pro 20 terabyte isn't just a storage device. It's a vault, a quiet guardian for data that can't afford drama. Coming in number 2. Seagate Skyhawk AI 8 terabyte Video Internal Hard Drive HDD. The Seagate Skyhawk AI 8 terabyte is what happens when surveillance meets intelligence. Designed for AI-powered video systems, it handles up to 64 HD video streams and 32 AI streams without dropping a single frame. A quiet, relentless archivist for everything your cameras see. Powered by AI firmware, it keeps footage smooth while juggling massive workloads, up to 550 terabytes per year, more than triple what standard drives endure. Its 2 million hours MTBF puts it in enterprise territory. And with Skyhawk Health Management, it doesn't just store data, it defends it. RAID Rapid Rebuild helps restore volumes 3 times faster than traditional rebuilds, which is a lifesaver when uptime is non-negotiable. In real setups, from home DVRs to Blue Iris systems, it runs cool, quiet, and consistent, with only a faint click during playback and recording. Compared to WD Purple, Skyhawk AI feels purpose-built. Less stress, longer life, and no drama under pressure. With a 5-year warranty and 3 years of rescue data recovery, it's less a hard drive, more a surveillance veteran. Patient, tireless, and always watching without blinking. Coming in number 1. Seagate IronWolf 8TB NAS Internal Hard Drive HDD. The Seagate IronWolf 8TB NAS drive doesn't just store data, it thrives on it. Built for up to 8-bay NAS setups, it runs 24/7 without flinching, powered by a 7200 RPM motor, 256 MB cache, and a 6 GB PCIe transfer rate. Designed with agile array technology, it stays balanced under pressure, using rotational vibration sensors to keep performance steady, even when packed tight in RAID arrays. Temperatures hold comfortably in the 30 to 40 degrees C range, and while there's a soft rumble during activity, it's the kind of reassuring sound that says, working hard, not breaking a sweat. Real-world speeds hit around 180 to 260 megabytes per second, plenty fast for Plex streams, backups, or file sharing without bottlenecks. Reliability is its backbone. 1 million hours MTBF and a 5-year warranty with 3 years of data recovery add a layer of EF, and a 5-year warranty with 3 years of data recovery add a layer of calm confidence. A few units might roll out imperfectly. One DOA isn't a crisis when returns are easy, but once running, these drives are consistent performers. In a world of loud claims and short lifespans, the IronWolf 8TB stands out as a durable, purpose-built workhorse. Quiet, relentless, and unapologetically NAS bred.